Everybody loves a sweet treat, right? Whether it's after a meal or just a little pick-me-up during the day, a bit of sweetness can make everything better. What if I told you dark chocolate is actually good for diabetics? Yes, you heard that right. This delicious treat can be a healthy option. So, why is dark chocolate one of the best desserts for diabetics? Let's dive into the reasons that make it a smart choice. First off, it's packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. These antioxidants, known as flavonoids, are beneficial for overall health. This means it can actually help manage your blood sugar levels. By reducing oxidative stress, dark chocolate can improve insulin sensitivity. Cool, huh? But there's more to it. Now, not all chocolates are created equal. The type of chocolate you choose makes a big difference. Aim for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. The higher the cocoa content, the more health benefits you'll get. The higher the cocoa content, the lower the sugar. This makes it a better option for keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Plus, it's richer in flavor, so you're less likely to overindulge. A small piece can be very satisfying. Another bonus? There are even more benefits to consider. Dark chocolate is loaded with fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption. This means a steadier blood sugar level after eating. And let's not forget magnesium, great for your heart and muscles. Magnesium also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels. But remember, moderation is key. Even healthy treats should be enjoyed in the right amounts. A small piece can go a long way in satisfying that sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. It's all about balance. You can even get creative with dark chocolate. Melt it and drizzle over fruits or mix it into yogurt for a delightful, healthy dessert. Dark chocolate bark with nuts and seeds is another fantastic option. It's easy to make and packed with nutrients. These combinations not only taste great, but also add extra fiber and healthy fats to your diet. Enjoying dark chocolate can also be a relaxing experience. Pair it with a good book or a moment of mindfulness. Sharing it with friends or loved ones can make it even more enjoyable. It's a treat that brings people together. So next time you need a treat, reach for a square of dark chocolate. It's a delicious way to stay on track with your health goals. Your taste buds and your blood sugar will thank you. Enjoy the rich, satisfying taste while knowing you're making a smart choice.